In this expression, we have two subtractions and one multiplication. According to the order of operations, first we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. So multiplication has higher priority than subtraction because multiplication comes before subtraction. So here first we have to do this multiplication. 2 times 2 gives us 4. So 4 minus 4, then minus 4. Now we have two subtractions, and when we have more than one subtraction in an expression, we have to work from left to right. So here first we have to do this subtraction. 4 minus 4 is just 0. So 0 minus 4, okay, which equals negative 4. And this is our final answer to this problem.